Hi guys, it's the next step for our broadcasting to Alexa and Chromecast. So we did the weather setup, so now we need to set up Alexa. So Chrome should be working. Showed you how to get the IP address. So again, it should be straightforward. So let's go to the Node-RED flow. Here's our Node-RED flow. So once you import it, if you scroll down a bit, you have these Alexa flows here. What you have to do is you might get this error message here. When you import, you might have already accounts here. So best way to do is just delete these. Oops, delete too much. Go in here and delete those accounts. Done. Deploy. So now account is missing. We create a new account. You can leave this. The one thing you have to change is put here the IP address of your Pi. So my Pi is 104. Unless you work locally, then you can use obviously localhost. Deploy. So you have to go here and select those. So now it's set up. So then you have to go to this URL and plug in. So it's basically the Pi IP address. And then this port number. And all it's going to do is going to redirect you to Alexa. You sign in. And if you go back to Node-RED, this should be ready. So now we're ready. So it's the same as before. So now we can get the weather data. What we got. And here in this flow, I basically just create the sentence for the local data. And if we do this.
It is now 12:08 p.m. The local temperature is -2 degrees.
Perfect. So that's it. Pretty straightforward. Next step would be to just combine local and airport weather. Okay, talk to you in a bit.